IDEs are the platforms software engineers use to write code and build all the systems you see around you. My name is Adi, I'm a software engineer at Amazon, and in this video I'm going to explain how an IDE works in a way I wish it was explained to me. So the basis of an IDE is something you probably already have seen. It's basically a place where you can create files, folders, and these files can have any extension. An extension is the last part of a file. So for a Word file, you might have seen .docx, or for a text file, a .txt file. Well, for all programming languages, there are different extensions, like Python might have .py, or Kotlin might have .kt, and basically you can create all these files, put them together, and you can have any program running. There's also different ways you can have like this folder structure created for you. Like if you create a React project, which is a way to create like a full stack website, or at least the front end of a website using React, you can just import or download from your terminal basically a React project setup, which is going to set up all your folders and files for you. Now, this is really great when you're just trying to write code, which is just going to be, words and numbers, and eventually compiled. But the compiler is also going to be part of this IDE, or at least part of the system that you're like working with when you're creating code. Now, compilers and build systems work together. What are these? Compilers take your code and they turn it into machine language, which is ones and zeros, which is what your CPU is actually fed to do operations on. And then you have build dependencies, like other software packages you're using when you're creating your software that you never created and you download from the internet or your like computer, like your company's network, or like when you interact with other softwares and services your company has built. And so these dependencies are things your software needs to run, right? Like they're things you are saying, I need this software to exist already. And so what build systems do is they figure out what is like the right way to download everything and then finally create your software package as well that can be shipped out and actually fed into the cloud and computers as well. So compilers and build systems work together. Next, you have debuggers, which let you move from line to line and pause like at any line so that you can actually see what happens at the software when it's executed to line like 40 of your huge, like, file of code. And it allows you to move around your system and see what those values of every variable are across the whole run of your software. And lastly, you have extensions, which actually make your IDE like VS Code or IntelliJ far stronger by importing AI agents or making it look prettier. And so IDEs are just a place to write code, and they're really extensible using extensions, and that's all there is.